Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about grouped frequency tables and how they are used to estimate averages when data is grouped into class intervals. A grouped frequency table is useful when the data covers a wide range of values, and it is not practical to list every single number. Instead, we group the data into classes or intervals and record how many values fall into each class. For example, if we have test scores between 0 and 100, we can group them in intervals like 0 to 1920 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 to 79, and 80 to 99. Each group will have a frequency that shows how many students scored within that range to estimate the mean from a grouped frequency table. We first find the midpoint of each class interval. The midpoint is found by adding the lower and upper boundaries of the class and dividing by 2. Then we multiply each midpoint by its frequency and find the total next. We divide that total by the total frequency to get the estimated mean. For example, consider this data set of student test scores. Interval 0 to 19 has a frequency of 2, 20 to 39 has a frequency of 540. 259 has a frequency of 860 to 79 has a frequency of 3, and 80 to 99 has a frequency of 2. The midpoints are calculated as follows. 0 plus 19 divided by 2 equals 9.5, 20 plus. 39 divided by 2 equals 29.5, 40 plus 59 divided by 2 equals 49.5, 60 plus 79 divided by 2 equals 69.5, and 80 plus 99 divided by 2 equals 80. 9.5. Then multiply each midpoint by its frequency. 9.5 times 2 plus 20. 9.5 times 5 plus 40. 9.5 times 8 plus 60. 9.5 times 3 plus 80. 9.5 times 2 equals total of 884. The total frequency is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 equals 20. The estimated mean is 884 divided by 20 equals 44.2. So the estimated mean test scores about 44.2. Grouped frequency tables give a good estimate of the average when the data is spread across wide intervals. That is all for this lesson on grouped frequency tables. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.